You're supposed to kiss me. So what the fuck is up with Nikki?
Her dad is dying.
Isn't she, like, not close with him at all?
No, they're close now, so.
I really do hope she figures it out. She seems pretty fucked up. I also don't think it's right that she's leaning on you. Especially since her and...
I don't mind being there for her.
No, but that's not your responsibility, Bear. She needs therapy. It's not right. And I don't think it's okay that she's taking advantage of you.
I don't think she's taking advantage of me.
I got my letter.
Your letter from Luther?
My last chance. Figured we could open it together.
Oh, shit.
Maybe my dad will let me tattoo successful daughter where his hairline's supposed to start.
You want to open this thing, or?
I need to tell you some things. I promised Ian I wouldn't tell you this.
Tell me what?
Bear, Ian and Nikki have been hooking up on and off for like 2 years. He thinks that she's dating you to get back at him. Even if she's not, it's kind of a shame, you know? Need someone more chill.
Like you?
I mean, I was to your left. You're supposed to kiss me.
So sorry you had to see that, baby. Just remember that you wanted this. Sarah's your fault. You wanted this, you wished for this.